Brats, a lot of you out there know that we've got the Bionik Mantis headphones now on our BoboVR M2 Headstrap, and we've been loving them. But you've been saying, hey, there's a set of pads on Amazon that change these up and possibly make the sound quality better, but they cost 15 bucks and they only have 3.5 stars. So none of you wanted to try them. So we're gonna try them for you. These are the Bionik over-ear pads, soft replacement pads for the Mantis. These are $15, and what these are supposed to do, currently these are considered on-ear headphones. So this soft rubberish cup right here sits on your ear. This is supposed to make these big enough that it becomes more of an over-ear type setup. I have no idea, I've never experimented or played with these, so let's just jump on in. Gotta have that small sharp unboxing knife ready. And this thing is taped up terribly, so I'm not really sure how we're gonna get into it. They definitely overdid it with the tape. I mean, it's a tiny box. Do you really need this much tape on it? I kind of feel like looking at this closer, actually, this might have been repackaged when someone else returned it. So we'll find out. Oh wow, they're bigger than I expected. I don't know if that's just packaging or if that's part of it. I guess we'll find out here real quick. And we got instructions. So what we gotta do on our old ones, it looks like these just turn and slip off. They don't twist. It looks like you have to get them aligned just right. So you have to slowly turn them and keep pulling until you feel them let go. It's a little freaky. Takes a little more pressure than you wanna give. So it does look like the little foam piece is a part of it. And what you're supposed to do is put the foam inside of here, put this cup inside of this big rubber, like that. And then that now replaces and slips on the whole thing. Okay, there's one. These look ridiculous already. Same thing on this side. Wow. Well, if you wanted your Quest to look ridiculous, this is what it looks like. What's more important than what it looks like is the sound quality. So let me hop in and listen to some songs on here and kind of see what we think. Boy, those are funny looking. Are you supposed to trim these to fit? So these are meant for PlayStation VR, as a disclaimer. These are not necessarily meant for this. And I will say what the main problem I'm having already is maybe the PlayStation VR headband is much further out from your ear, but I can't get this thing down to lock in on my ear. Because I mean, you look at that, if that's in locked position, that's way in there. Right now, this part is just rubbing on the top of my ear and I can't even get it close to my ear. Oh my gosh. Nope, 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 nope. This is a terrible, terrible thing that they have created here. Even if you manage to push it over your ear and get it over your ear, it's destroying the sound quality. Because these headphones are based off relatively small drivers and they need to be on your ear putting the sound in. What this does is it creates a long space between your ear and there, and you end up with this hollow, tinny, echoey sound going on inside of this weird rubbery cup. This rubbery cup that is extremely uncomfortable. Now, I see why these have such a poor rating, and maybe they fit a little better on the PSVR, but even if they do, they're still messing up the audio quality. Definite no-go, do not buy. There will not be a link in the description. You heard it here, you found out. Do I want to buy these? No, you don't. So now you know, I took the hit for you. So I want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm going to figure out how to get that thing off camera because it's a pain in the ass. But thank you for being here with me, and I will see you in another reality. Yuck. It's the first minor swear in an unboxing video. Oh my God, what is this design though? Boy, that was garbage. It just made the headphones sound like they were shit quality.